everybody, Diane Haggerty, Grassroots Taxes. Today I have a question. It's not really a question. It says reporting someone for not paying income tax. Okay. The IRS is going to collect tax from the easiest people they can collect from. They are not going to go after your ex because you're mad. They know there's people out there, but they got to spend their resources on making the most money. So you're not be like, oh, my brother-in-law hasn't filed in 5 years and he's doing drugs and stuff. You should go after him. Okay, you can't sick the IRS on people. They're not like vindictive cops that go after like small amounts of money to make you happy. That's not how it works. So how do you report someone for not paying income tax? Well, first of all, should you? I mean, snitches get stitches, right? Okay. So if somebody is scamming and you know they're a scam and they're running some kind of income tax scam, or they are trying to like get you to claim like 10 dependents on something and get you this giant refund and then they take a portion of it, or they're saying that you can like take all your money out of your IRA and like start a business and you're not going to have any repercussions, it's not going to be taxable. Like, okay, no. Okay, anybody that's promoting this kind of stuff, there is a form 14242. And you can report a scam on that form. If you think somebody's running a scam, you should definitely report it. The other form I want to talk about is Form 211. It's a whistleblower claim. If you file a whistleblower claim, like you know somebody's lying on stuff and you know like your boss or somebody else isn't paying income tax and it's huge amounts of money and the IRS is going to make a recovery, I mean, they'll probably shut down the business. You'll probably lose your job. So you need to think about that. But if you're talking about like a whistleblower recovery, if you actually report somebody, they pay you quite a bit of money of what the money that they recover in that for you telling them how to get it. So, but again, those people you're reporting are probably going to know and probably not going to be happy you reported them. So you need to consider that before you take any action. If you want to know more about whistleblowers or reporting scams, publication 5251 is how the process works. It's an illustrated, very short publication that the IRS puts out that tells you what you could get. But basically, you know, if it's just because your ex hasn't filed in 5 years or your brother-in-law's lying on his taxes or some petty thing like that, that's not going to be something the IRS is going to go after. They'll catch him eventually. Everybody catches themselves eventually, and everybody gets in trouble eventually. And that's not for you to do. But if it's a big thing and you know somebody's doing something really bad, Form 211 or Form 14242 or both forms, follow that process and you could receive an award for reporting people for not paying their taxes.